Looking for a budget gaming monitor? Today we're comparing two popular choices, the Lenovo Legion R24E and the Xiaomi G24i. Both are 24-inch displays with 180Hz refresh rates, but which one should you buy? Let's find out. Both monitors share similar specs. They're both 24 inches with full HD resolution and IPS panels. The refresh rate? Both hit 180Hz, which is great for smooth gaming. Response time is also identical at 1 millisecond. You'll get tear-free gaming on both thanks to AMD FreeSync support. Color-wise, the Lenovo covers 99% sRGB, while the Xiaomi also hits 99%. The Lenovo is brighter at 300 nits compared to Xiaomi's 250. This means the Lenovo might perform better in brighter rooms. Here's where things get different. The Lenovo Legion R24E comes with a full functional stand. You can tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height. This means you can set it exactly how you want it. The Xiaomi G24i only offers tilt adjustment. If you need more movement, you'll have to buy a separate monitor arm. The Lenovo has thinner bezels at just 2.6mm, giving you more screen space, and the Xiaomi's bezels are a bit thicker. The Lenovo offers HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, while the Xiaomi has HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4. Both include a headphone jack. The Lenovo's HDMI 2.1 is better for console gaming if you own a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. Both monitors are eye care certified, reducing blue light for long gaming sessions. Price is key. The Lenovo typically costs around $100 to $180, while the Xiaomi is priced at around $115 to $130. The prices are very close. So, which one should you pick? The Lenovo Legion R24E takes the crown. It offers better brightness, a fully adjustable stand, HDMI 2.1, and thinner bezels. The Xiaomi is still a solid choice if you're on a tight budget and don't need extra features. But for most gamers, the Lenovo Legion gives you more value for your money. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.